Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm puramodera. This is the MechaGodzilla or Kiryu from the movie Godzilla vs. MechaGodzilla that was released in 2002. And this model kit was released by Aoshima in 2018 and I built this model in 2019. The model was mostly molded in grey plastic for the armor pieces, black for the inner muscles, and blue for the backpack and weapon systems. To make this kit look good, the absolute minimum is painting the armors with silver paint. When I painted this model, I wanted this model to have the RoboCop look with shades of blue and purple reacting to the light. Instead of shading the model with clear blue and clear purple like the movie, I airbrushed Mr. Color's crystal paints Sapphire blue and Amethyst purple in hopes to achieve the look. Unfortunately, the colors from the crystal paint don't show up on pure silver surfaces. However, they do show an interesting iridescent on darker colors, including the small panels that I painted with silver mixed in dark gray. I didn't apply any weathering on this model because the MechaGodzilla in this movie was brand new and it fought Godzilla pretty much straight out of an assembly line. I did, however, shaded the model with clear black to add depth to the pieces. There are at least 4 different metallic paints on this model, but most people, including myself, could only tell 2. The overall kit was painted with Gaia Note Starbright Silver, and some small panels were painted with Starbright Silver mixed with dark grey. The booster were painted with Modo's aluminum and weathered with smoke. Finally, the blades on the arm's beam cannons were painted with Modo's Super Real Silver. MechaGodzilla eyes came with 2 pieces, one casted in clear yellow and one in clear red. To achieve a better glow without using any paint, I applied a piece of gold foil tape in the head and it helped brought out the eyes. I hope you enjoyed this video of my painted build of Aoshima's MechaGodzilla. Let me know what you liked and disliked in the comments section, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos of my finished models. Your support will help encourage me to film more models that I have built in the past as well as new ones.